In the Be the Expert Jigsaw, I am expecting students to really teach the other students in the class about their wave characteristic that they have been assigned. And so I give them some time in class to be able to complete the Frayer model. And I use the Frayer model because it really helps get all of the important information out, and it helps them as they're reading through the resources that I provided to them. It helps them to be able to see what is the definition, what are some facts or characteristics about this wave phenomena or characteristic, and what are some examples, some pictures that I can see that show this wave characteristic, and what are some non-examples, things that really don't show this wave characteristic. And so it gets all of the information out there, and this is a way that helps my students to be able to talk to the class about their wave characteristic and teach the class about it.